Welcome to Alley 26's ongoing Mixology at Home series. In this installment, we're going to be working on a drink called Figgin Genius, and I think you'll know why. We're going to start off with a little of our Alley 26 fig syrup. As with all of our syrups, they're made with real stuff, so give them a good shake. We're going to do a half an ounce of the fig syrup and a quarter ounce of rosemary syrup. Now, rosemary syrup is not something we sell, we just make it up here at the bar, but it couldn't be easier. You make a really easy, simple syrup. In this case, we just did a 1-to-1 simple, and while it's still warm, steep the herb in it for like 15-20 minutes. Rosemary especially, big flavor, it's gonna come through. So we're just gonna put a quarter ounce of that. It's not gonna get lost, and it's really gonna complement that fig perfectly. Then, half an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice and a half an ounce of fresh squeezed orange juice. Finally, tequila. Put 1.5 ounces of reposado in here. I like reposado. That little bit of vanilla just makes everybody get along. And this is kind of a fall flavored drink. It doesn't need that crisp, jumping out of the box kind of zest of a Blanco. So we're gonna just give this guy a nice, good shake. Oh yeah. I'm gonna love drinking that. I'm gonna love making that. There you go, just crack that open. And we're gonna double strain this through our hawthorn and our fine mesh. Oh, that looks pretty. Do that. And just to kind of really sell it, we'll garnish that with a little dried orange. You can use fresh orange at home or whatever you have lying around. No, kidding. We like the dried orange here because it really lets the drink's natural aromatics kind of dominate, but still gives the eye something to look at. There it is. It's Figgin Genius.